This year, more than 40% of people born after 1996 have used TikTok for advice on which stocks to invest in. It's amazing, more than 40%. And this is one of the many reasons why hedge funds and mutual funds cannot outperform ETX index funds, or many retail investors outperform them. Okay, and I'll explain why in a minute, why this is happening. Now, the younger generation was born digital, and they certainly don't consume the same media formats that old people like me do. And this is actually a material concern for large media companies like CNN and even Wall Street firms like Goldman Sachs. And to make matters worse for large media companies and Wall Street firms, this awesome younger generation is used to consuming media, video games, and stock trading for no fees at all. And I think that a lot of mutual funds and hedge funds are in secular decline, as they won't be able to justify their higher rates that generate lower returns. And even Charles Schwab has noticed a massive increase in the past year of younger people opening up online trading accounts. It's actually their biggest growth market. And I love this because finally, fees on investment vehicles are coming down as competition is good for the consumer. Now, I think what's coming next in fintech is payment processors and credit card companies are finally going to receive a ton of competition from online payment companies. And the finance fees for credit cards and horrible investment advice from Wall Street is actually going to cause many of those firms to change their business models or close. Now, should you take investment advice only from TikTok or only from Reddit? Absolutely not. Never take anyone's advice when it comes to stocks or investing, even me. Don't take it from me. Because what happens is if you rely on other people or the media or me to tell you what to buy, then if the market pulls back, we will end up selling the stock at the worst time. And Warren Buffett once said the New York Stock Exchange is the only store in the world where consumers sell stuff when it goes on sale. Now, in my courses and MBA program, I provide you with many tools and templates so you can easily do your own research on companies that get you really, really excited. And that way you won't just be a tourist in stocks or a renter. You'll outperform if you do your own research. And I'm very confident that if you do, you can run circles around the Wall Street analysts and mutual funds and outperform them as well. So please go to my website, which is haroneducation.com. And try my investing course or my MBA program, where I provide you with many tools and templates so you can pick your own stocks instead of relying on the media. And there's a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee on all of my courses and my MBA program. Thanks.